In this video, I will show you how to prevent someone from tagging you on your Facebook. So let's start before you start. If you are a new member of our channel, please subscribe and support me. So start. First, you will update your Facebook app from Google Play Store, then go away. You will click on the three-line icon at the top after coming to Facebook on your Facebook. Then click on Settings from here, then slice and come down. Then you can see Profile and Tags. Click here. First, you will see who can post your profile. Click here to make only me, then no one can tag and post on your profile. Then slice and come down. Here you can see tagging what you will do. Click here after clicking, only me. Now your work is done.